Alright guys, so we arrived in Deltaville last night, worked on the boat, and now we're going to get ready to go sail, and check this out. Alright, beautiful morning at the marina. Gotta go get breakfast, and then there's our little boat. Then get going, so yeah.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's send. With me tonight, I run away. We'll never forget the past.
Alright guys, so we're back from the bay, and came home from school to a nice surprise. We got an Ever Forward package, and I got some shirts, shorts, a free hat. So let's go try this on. Alright, so before we do that, I'm actually editing this video, but we got the gaming PC set up with, I'm gonna buy a new keyboard and mouse, whatnot, but we got the best thing ever. Got a default, because you know that's all we rock. So yeah, let's go try on these new clothes. Alright, so first thing we got was a, I don't know, burgundy cut off t-shirt. This is a medium. I wear mediums or larges in my tops and larges or extra larges in my pants. So yeah, this is high quality stuff, like probably better than Alphalete. This is my first Ever Forward package ever. And yeah, so we got this. Alright, and not wearing these two at the same time, but we got the sports shorts. That will focus. Sports shorts in medium, also burgundy. And then we picked up some compression gear and got a free hat. So we are all burgundied out, but yeah, so highly recommend going to pick some of this stuff out. It'll be down in the description below. And yeah, let's go get a lift on. Gotta go hit squats, bench, really excited. Looking for a PR, let's get that 275 for 4 on squat. And yeah, let's get into this. Alright guys, so it's the morning, the next day after that little gym session. It's a Tuesday. We hit 275 for 4, which was nice. It felt easy. And then I hit 165 for 4 on bench. But I set my camera up to record that, and as soon as I unracked it, the camera decided to it was on a tripod over wrapped around the squat rack, spotter arms. So then it decided to fall. So yeah, but that's Murphy's Law. But yeah, basically now gotta finish getting ready, go to school. And yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here, and thanks for watching. Take 2 seconds out of your day, hit that like button, it really helps me out. Share the video, subscribe, And yeah, and something I gotta do now, starting since we're getting closer to indoor, it's the beginning of August, I gotta be doing hill workouts twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday, where I run 8 hills, about 200 meters, 150 meters, and yeah, and then each week I'll add 1, so this week I'll do 8 today and Thursday, and then 9 next Tuesday and Thursday. So yeah, really gotta focus on getting in that track mindset, but enough of that. Catch y'all in the next one, probably this Saturday.